This is my 2007 Sony DCR SR dash, Sony DCR-SR42 Handycam I've got for Christmas. Apparently I have two. I'm using the one in my hand I'm using right now. The second one is in my left. The second one is in my left hand. I had it since December 25th of 2007, which is during Christmas. And it's made by Sony. It's an HDD hard disk drive, 40 times optical zoom, 30 GB, 30 gigabytes, up to 20 hours recording. It still works though, but I'm having a lot of problems with the screen. The screen itself kind of white. The screen itself is all white, and I may have to format this camera and send it in for a repair. Otherwise, I may have to get another one and dispose this. I do not have a memory card here though. Oh, and I also have the original box. Here is the original. I don't know if you can see it though because the light's no good from here, but whatever. Here's the original box where the camera was, you know. Anyway, the reason why I got this is because, hold on. Anyway, the reason why I got another one is because my old one I had since 2001, the tape closer, it won't close. You know, it just won't close. And the battery itself is completely drained. So I probably have to get another of these type of tape using camcorders. Anyway, the other camcorder is a Sony Handycam Vision Video HIA CCD-TRV98NTSC. I had it since 2001. And also, the reason why I use this a lot from 2001 to 2008 because because of the tapes. Hold on. Here are my old tapes that I've used before. However, they haven't been used on account of its demise. So, if anyone knows where I can find another type of camcorder that supports a tape, that supports this type of recording cassette tape, let me know. Let me know because I have some old footages here that I just weren't able to put them on my VHS tape. Some of them contain some video bus recordings I've done. Like, I recorded a Detroit Suburban Smart 1992 Gillick Phantom and 1993 Gillick Phantom bus, including a D-Dot's 1989 MCI Classic Transit bus and a D-Dot's 1992 New Flyer D40 HF bus. I even recorded some of the RTSs. Anyway, let's go Anyway, let's go through it one more time. Let's go through these two camcorders again. Both of them are old, so they've been used. 2007 Sony DCR-SR42 and 2001 Sony CCD TRV98 NTSC Handycam Vision. So this one is pretty much smaller than this. If anyone has any suggestions on how to fix this, let me know. This one I may have to format this and send it in for repair. Otherwise, it'll be disposed because the screen is messed up. If anyone has any suggestions, let me know. Thank you very much. Thank you. Have a nice day. One final thing. The Sony DCR-SR42 also came with the manual as well. That's all.